Hi, this is Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle, and today you're going to learn about the email newsletter sign-up widget that you can use with WordPress.org on your website. It's completely free, and it's on the right of my website right now. It says Get Updates. It's free. Learn how to start a business selling on eBay dropshipping with the Low Cost Hustle newsletter. For those who are interested, they'd enter in their email and then click subscribe. Then I have a quote below. Going to start the Matt Bernstein fan club because I always learn something, and bonus, it also helps my traffic. And in order for you to replicate this on your website, you have to download the free plugin. I'll give you this link in the description. The plugin is called Newsletter Signup, and you can click download. Once you've downloaded this to your computer, you have to upload it onto your own WordPress website. From your WordPress website, go to the Plugins tab on the left of your screen, and on the top, click Add New. Under the Install Plugins, click on the tab Upload. Choose a file from your computer, and click Install Now. WordPress will automatically install it, and to access the plugin, click on the Plugins tab to the left of your screen again, and click on the Newsletter Sign Up, and click Activate. And to set up the widget on your website, scroll down to Newsletter Sign Up and click the tab. Now, if you're using Aweber like me, you click the Aweber email list and go to your Aweber account, and from there, click the Create and Manage List. Click on the list that you want your potential students to subscribe to. Below the list name, you'll see the unique list ID. Copy and paste that, and then go back into WordPress and copy and paste that unique list ID into your WordPress website, into the Newsletter Sign Up plugin, and click Save Changes. Okay, and now the next step is to make it look like this. How do you make it unique to your own website? Go back to your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, and under the Appearance tab, go to Widgets. And from your available widgets, find the Newsletter Sign Up and drag it onto your sidebar. You can choose the title, the text to show before the form, the text to show after the form, and you can customize it in the way that you see fit. That's all there is to it in downloading the Newsletter Sign Up for the right side of your WordPress website. Thank you so much. This is Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle. You have a great day.